Hey there, boat enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the ultimate solution for keeping your vessel in pristine condition with the Boat Juice Boat Cleaner Kit. This all-in-one kit features a 32-ounce exterior spray infused with a ceramic silicon oxide sealant that leaves your boat glossy and spot-free, whether it's wet or dry. Say goodbye to stubborn mineral deposits and hard water spots with this powerful cleaner that works wonders on all surfaces. Just spray, wipe, and buff to a high gloss. And the best part? It smells amazing, unlike those harsh vinegar-based cleaners. For the interior, the 32-ounce spray strikes the perfect balance between cleaning power and silicon oxide UV protection, making it safe for upholstery, carpet, vinyl, plastic, and foam flooring. With 2 microfiber towels included, this kit is designed to make boat cleaning efficient and effective. So, if you're ready to elevate your boat care routine, the Boat Juice Boat Cleaner Kit is your go-to solution for a spotless and protected ride.